Hey guys, today we'll be playing the animal noise challenge. So who wants to go first? Shall I go first? Okay. Can't say because remember you have to guess. Elephant. Yeah. Yes. You written that, didn't you? Oh yeah. So put that on. Okay. Meow. Cat. Yeah. Did you write that one? Yeah. Dog. Yep. The hell? That was not a dog noise. In the comments, say if that was a dog noise or not. Okay. Who written that one, me or you? I don't know. Probably you. Cow. Yeah. Which one? I can't do cow noises. Yeah, you've written that one. Get in the camera, please. Oh, I thought you did. No, you've probably written that one. Yeah. I like to eat carrots. Rabbit. Yep. Yes. I don't know what that was. I thought it was a fish. Look. You don't look, little girl. Wolf. Oh no. You said it. I need to pick a different one now. No, put it back in there, but shuffle them up again. Yeah. Oh man. But it's gonna be it again. Just do it whatever it hasn't. Oh, again! God's sake! You don't like wolves? I do. Yeah, like when you have to do it. I do the wolves. Why'd you take one from there? I didn't take one from there. Oh. B. Yep. Okay. You know you're not supposed to do the actions. Oh yes! Any noise. No, I'm allowed to say that. Yeah. I've written that one, you know. I'm allowed to say that, but you still don't know what it is. Lion. Tiger. No.
Do it again. Dinosaur.
No.
Dog.
No.
Give me a clue.
It's in the forest.
Wolf.
I'll tell you. Bear.
Okay. There's 2 more left.
I got anything. Snake?
Yep.
You can't do that. That's 1 for me.
Tiger. Lion.
Yes, lion. Hey guys, thanks for watching. That's the end of the video. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up. See you guys next time. Goodbye.